Okay, so we just pulled her out of the pool, and now we need to clean it out because it picked up a bunch of junk off of the bottom. So we're going to squeeze the sides here, and it pops off. Sometimes it doesn't want to, but it will. There we go. So that's that. Let's set that there. Okay, so if you look here, you're going to see we got a filter. As you can see, it's kind of dirty, and then there's all this stuff in there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to squirt it out of there. I have this. Just like that. And we do both sides. And then set that down over there. And then we just got to get this, right? Get rid of that stuff. And clean. That's how you do it. Get her nice and clean. All right, so now we got to put it back together. And notice the way this is here. If you look. All right, so then this is going to go inside like this. So make sure you get it in there. And then you have to slide the top back on. Like this. And sometimes it doesn't go right on. That's it, bam, done. Bob's your uncle, look. See, all the way around. Nice fit. And that's it. And you got it turned off, so you make sure it's all the way to this way. And then you let her dry. And then the next thing you know, you just plug it in and you're ready to go for the next time. Peace out.